Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 29th of May. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. All right, let's check out the forecast. I'm going to start with the Summit's forecast because this is just wild here. So tonight, clouds at the higher summits of northern New England, a wintry mix transitioning to snow and sleet, slight chance for thunderstorms, some sleet accumulation of 2 to 4 inches. Temperatures in the lower 20s, winds 50 to 70 miles an hour with gusts to 85 miles an hour or higher. Wind chill values falling to between 0 and 10 below. On Saturday, mostly in the clouds at those higher summits. Chance for some morning snow showers, possible additional accumulation of a coating to an inch or two. Temperatures in the upper 20s. Winds will be decreasing from 75 miles an hour down to 25 to 40 miles an hour. And wind chills going up 0 to 10 above. Yeah, that's the forecast for the higher summit. So if you know somebody that's saying, hey, I'm going to go hike Mount Adams today and we're arriving this afternoon, we're going to hike up, you might want to tell them they might want to hold off. Now, down here, we've got sunny skies today, temperatures in the low 70s, clouding up late in the day. Overnight tonight, some showers arrive as that system in the north is doing what it's doing, but around here, it's just going to be in the 40s with the chilly showers and some steadier rain to the north. On Saturday, showers come to an end by noon to 2 p.m. Temperatures only in the 40s to low 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny skies, lower 70s. That is a much better day. This is a really interesting area of low pressure. There's a gale warning posted for the coastal waters. A little bit of wintry fun for the higher elevations. Again, what I read you, over 2,500 feet. So the lowlands will just be a very cold rain. But if you're at the base of Mount Washington, it's not going to be very warm here on Saturday. Have a great day, everybody.